So you want to automate your business, but you have no idea where to start. Use automation, they say, but what the heck does that even mean? In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about using marketing automation to be successful in your business. Let's dive in. What's going on, everybody? Greg Hickman here with Systemly at system.ly. If you want the best tips, strategies, and tools to automate, systemize, and scale your business, you are in the right place, my friend. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because I release a new video every single Tuesday. So, what is marketing automation? Now, before I break down what I want you to think about it, let's see what Wikipedia has to say. Marketing automation refers to software, platforms, and technologies designed for marketing departments and organizations to more effectively market on multiple channels, such as email, social media, websites, etc., and automate repetitive tasks. Here's the thing though, if you think marketing automation is only about the software like Infusionsoft, Entreport, or ActiveCampaign, you are selling yourself so short. So here's how I'd like you to think about marketing automation. Marketing automation is how you utilize technology to execute on your strategy. But here's the thing, it's not just your marketing strategy. It's your marketing strategy, it's your sales strategy, and it's your fulfillment strategy. In fact, I believe that getting marketing automation set up in your business correctly is like making the best first hire you could ever make, because it makes you more scalable. Are you ready to multiply yourself and be more scalable? Type scale in the comment section below if you are. Look, I want you to get the most out of using marketing automation, so I polled a bunch of my really close friends about what they think you need to know about marketing automation. So let's hop on into the office so I can share what they had to say. All right, first up is my buddy Chris L. Davis, who's the Director of Education at ActiveCampaign, and he says, marketing automation is employing technology to execute your marketing strategy. Now, I love the fact that he says employing technology, because if you remember what I just said earlier, marketing automation could be like the best first hire that you've ever made in your business. So, employing technology, you are having technology be an employee, and it's one of the best first employees. Next up is my buddy Gregory Jenkins from Monkey Pod Marketing, and he says marketing automation is you being you on your very best day every single day. And I love that, right? Because we're sitting here saying that marketing automation can multiply you and make you more scalable. So you wouldn't want to show up every single day on your worst day. Well, show up your best, work hard once, automate it, and now you are you on your best every single day. Next up is my buddy Nathan Johnson, and he says marketing automation is the fastest and most effective way to scale a successful business. I say successful because you have to have figured out things prior to automating them. I love this. And my other buddy Brett follows up and says, yes, I'd agree here. Marketing automation will amplify your business activities. If they suck, it will make them more sucky. If they're awesome, it will be more awesome. Next up is Seth Ellsworth, and he says marketing automation is speaking to 1,000 true fans one by one, all at the same time. Now, what I love about this is that as you grow, there are some marketing activities that you just won't be able to do manually because you have too many new clients, too many new leads. It's just not physically possible. So what you end up doing with marketing automation is getting to speak to all those people in a one-on-one way, but all at the same time. So like I said, if you look at all these definitions, it would be selling ourselves short to think that marketing automation is just about automating your marketing activities, because it can go so much deeper. But here's the thing. It's very easy to jump into using marketing automation and automate these crazy ideas that you've never implemented before, which is why I always like to say that the best automation always starts manually, meaning you have to have a process defined before you can actually automate it. So if you want the most from marketing automation in your business, you need to start with a clear strategy and make sure that your sales, marketing, and fulfillment processes are clearly defined. Once you've done that, then you automate. And since I've had the chance to work with hundreds of clients to help them automate their business, In this video, you'll find a breakdown of how to automate your business so that you can be successful. And now for the question of the day. What do you want to automate in your business? I'll be in the comment section below, so be sure to ask because I'm offering up my guidance and help, so hop on down there and ask away. And if you like this video, be sure to let me know by liking it, clicking on that subscribe button or the notification bell, or both, and do the other things that people do when they like stuff. See you in the next video.